Let's head about 2.5 hours, 2 hours to the south. We'll take it out of Manhattan and into New Jersey, right along the Jersey Shore this morning. Ocean City, New Jersey, up on the screen for you there. Very snowy look at the boardwalk. Also included in that blizzard warning, we have the coastal flood advisory in place for places like Neptune, New Jersey this morning, which isn't too far from Ocean City.
Not too far. We want to check in with meteorologist Bob Van Dillen. He's up this morning as the snow continues to fall, and we heard it from Haley, Bob. Jersey's really taking it on the chin this morning.
Yeah, getting pounded right now, Stephen. And you were talking about that snow band that set up shop. That's according to the NWS out of Mount Holly, outside of Philadelphia. This band that I'm standing in is producing 2 to 4 inches of snow per hour. And it's not that bad until the wind starts, right? And it drifts it all around. But what I'm noticing is the rain switched over to snow. And I was over in Manasquan, New Jersey yesterday about 1:32 p.m. It was a real heavy snow that didn't stick. Then by about 5:30, it started to stick. And then when the temperatures dropped down, it stuck even more when the sun set. But it's interesting because if you look at how much snow has fallen, officially in Freehold, it's about 22.2 inches worth of snow. That's north of here by about 5-6 miles. This right here, the top layer, it's not packable, right? It's really, really light and fluffy. The bottom layer, though, where it started snowing first yesterday and it's still warm, this is totally packable. I mean, that's Snowball City, but above it, it's not. And it's interesting, how are you supposed to measure how much snow we fell? Because the winds, they've been screaming at 40 miles per hour all night long, and the snow hasn't stopped. I mean, you can see this right here, but this was plowed last night right before we went to sleep. We're in a hotel right now. Now you got about 6 to 8 inches on the ground here. The drifts, I guess I could try and see how far I can get into the drift itself. Because, yeah, now you're drifting, and now it's going a little bit deeper than that, right? It's going up a hill, yeah. So now it's up to my knee. So it's really hard to see exactly how much snow is falling, because you got to measure essentially once every hour to 3 hours, or the snow's just going to get blown off the board itself. Look at that. So it's all about the drifting, the blowing of the snow. We have got the blizzard warnings in effect until 6. Four-wheel drive, man, it's the only way you can get around, you guys. No question about that. But, yeah, we're looking at the blizzard warning till 6 p.m. Winds are supposed to be subsiding later today as that low peels out. But, you guys, what a night last night. It was like we were in a snow hurricane because the winds were just screaming the entire time.
Wild. I think, is it Bob that calls it black and white season? Because I'm looking at that backdrop, Bob. I think you introduced me to that phrase. I'm looking, I'm like, are we sure that this is the different colors? Yeah. It's just black and white. It's wild.
No, the only thing is the stop sign. The stop sign and the fire zone thing. That's it. Everything else is in black and white. Yeah. And it's amazing. Once everybody's like, they're done with winter, we've got this blockbuster nor'easter comes peeling up around here, reminiscent of 30 years ago when all 21 counties in Jersey were under a blizzard warning. That's the last time that happened, was 96. Seems like it's on the 6s every time we get slammed.
It's on the 6s, so we're all waiting for 2036 for the Jersey Shore to win out again. Yeah, typically
hopefully I'll be done by then. You know?
No, you never quit, Bob Van Dillen. You know, I do think, though, when we think of a big snow, we think, okay, get into the mountains, get into the Poconos, head west, head north. But not this time. Yeah. This time, it truly is about these coastal areas, including the Jersey Shore. So we'll be watching. I know you were in Manasquan yesterday. You're up in Neptune, just a little bit to the north today. So appreciate
by the way, that drive, I got to tell you about that drive.
Oh, yeah,
that drive was terrible. We knew it was going to start coming down pretty hard. And all of a sudden, when you got a little darker at night, it started sticking at about 5:15. Our last hit was about 5:30. We took off, and we were going up the Parkway, and it was getting bad. There was hardly anybody out there. There was already 3 inches of snow on the ground after about an hour and a half, and then it just kept on piling up from there. That commute back here to Neptune, we're like, all right, well, let's try to get back to Manasquan this morning. That ain't happening. The travel ban's been lifted for Jersey at 7 a.m., but still, you got plows out, but that's about it.
You know, that's a good point. I saw the travel ban was lifted at 7 a.m., and we're going to be checking in with the governor of New Jersey, Mike Sherrill, and I'm curious, because I looked outside and things still looked not great.
It's been 30 years, though, as Bob said, as she has said, all 21 counties under that blizzard warning in the state.
So, all right, Bob, well, we'll be checking in with you throughout the morning. Appreciate that update out of the Jersey Shore, Neptune, New Jersey. Fox Weather meteorologist Bob Van Dillen.
Yeah, and I